Trace.
Okay, so fun fact, I actually stayed in this exact room. Welcome back, guys, to the Neely Fam channel. We have been staying at Villanovi in San Pancho, and we're gonna give you a little tour. So here we have a bathroom. Nothing much to see here, just a normal bathroom. Yeah, I haven't seen that before. Okay, we have, right when you walk in, you have this beautiful ocean view with these doors wide open. And then right over here is the living area. We got a bar over here. Got a bar over here, cameraman. More living space to the left. And then we have the dining area. And over here is the kitchen.
Hola.
Hola. This is the library. Have an assortment of books in here and different artwork, which is beautiful. Many options to choose from in here, and it's very peaceful. We also have this little mini garden area, a little fountain. It's cute. Okay, so downstairs we have a bedroom to our right and to our left, and there's a total of, what, I think 5 bedrooms, including the master is really big. So we'll show you one of the bedrooms, what it looks like, and then show you where everything is.
Trace.
Okay, so fun fact, I actually stayed in this exact room when he came to stay here. Got a nice bed with luxury sheets here. Got a little sitting area, another sitting area. And then we have his and hers closets on each side, which is very nice, a lot of room. And this is how every single room is here that we have. It's huge. Well, not that we have, not that I live here, but every room here is huge. Walk-in shower. Get these nice robes from Williams-Sonoma. These robes are super nice. Sinks, dual sinks, toilets, everything is amazing, especially in Mexico. It's not always easy to find nice luxury places that are clean.
Okay.
And then obviously you have this beautiful ocean view in your room, and all the rooms have beautiful ocean views. All right, now we got a cute little baby on the tour. So this is the beautiful backyard. Got a nice little seating area in the middle, the jacuzzi right above it. So much space out here to do activities. Got grass areas, got patios. We actually ate a dinner out here as well. And then we got a nice little wet bar here, little sink, and then we got bar stools. So that you can have food out here, drinks, whatever. Got a beautiful pool. And then we got this beautiful ocean view right here, right on the water, which is so nice. We just go down to the beach and take a run on the beach, do whatever you want. He caught a baby iguana.
Look how pretty. Oh, shoot. Bro, you're not getting out.
He's gonna bite you.
No, he won't. He's fine. He's cute.
Look at him. Oh!
He keeps trying to escape.
I get a picture of him.
Heavy for the brand.
Hello, you relaxing, Bubba?
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Oh.
Do, do, do.
Andale, andale, let's go. Okay, now we're gonna go do the upstairs and show you the master suite. Jacob, give us the tour.
All right, guys, we're upstairs. We have master bedroom. We have a beautiful outdoor balcony right here. And then up here, you have another seating area. Really pretty view of the ocean, pretty high up. You can see through the big glass. It's gorgeous. That down this hallway, we have 2 bedrooms, similar to the ones downstairs. Really beautiful. They both have balconies, I believe. And then on the other side, the left wing is the master bedroom. And this is a view from above the library. And now to the master bedroom. With a big, nice seating area, beautiful sculptures, artwork on the walls, and then this really cool open wall to the bedroom and balcony. These huge sliding glass doors. I'll show you guys the balcony. All right, this is the master bathroom. Macy's parents are staying in here, so there's some clothes, but beautiful walk-in closet, huge. Over here, you have a huge walk-in shower, and it's also a steam room as well. And then a big, I don't even know if this is marble or not, but a huge tub. Right here is a big tub, and another walk out to the balcony as well.
All right, you guys, that is the end of the tour of Villanovi in Puerto Vallarta. If you want to come stay here, it's amazing and beautiful. Highly recommend. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.